Today we're going to look at Punk's Dead by Soft Play, and we're also going to look at one of their earlier songs when they were still called Slaves, The Hunter. I've chosen these two because they're both in standard tuning and they're both based around the minor pentatonic scale, like the first few notes of it, but they use other notes as well. It's a really good example how we can turn quite a basic scale that everyone knows and just the first few notes of it and just pick, in this case, the blues scale note, which just is 1 fret lower, and then create an absolutely badass riff like this. That's Punk's Dead, and that's in the G minor pentatonic scale. Using kind of this tritone, the devil's chord, to make the riff. If we move all that down 2 frets to the position of F, we basically get the Hunter. Very palm muted, of course using other notes outside of the minor pentatonic shape, but you can surely see how it's related to it. Let's have a look at Punk's Dead first of all though. Punk's Dead by Soft Play uses the 4th fret of string 5, 3rd fret of string 6, and then briefly going to fret 6 of string 6. This basically makes a tritone, where all those notes are 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 3 steps apart from each other, which gives it its kind of dark tone really and makes it sound proper heavy and great. This is 4, 3, 3, 4, 3, 3, 4, 3, 3, 4, 3, 3, and then 6, 6, 6, 6. To be able to play that fast, I would keep your first finger in position and just press the middle finger down when it's needed. That should keep it pretty clean. Picking, alternate picking, but really as small as possible. And then we have the Rage Against the Machine part, or at least takes inspiration from it. This is 5, 6 on string 4, then down a string each time. 5, 6, 4, 5, 3. Practice it slowly, get the notes under your fingers, then you'll get it. I'll link to the tab for that down below. There is a second riff that's kind of Rage Against the Machine inspired here as well, and it's descending, it comes down in pitch. That is 3, 5, 4, 5, 4, 6, 5. That's a little later in the song. And then the only other part to that song is the Robbie Williams bit. Can you believe Robbie Williams sings on this? This is a G minor, a bar chord, minor bar chord at fret 3, 5, 5, 3, 3, 3. B flat at fret 6, 8, 8, and 7. Move that down to 1st fret F position. 1, 3, 3, 2, 1, 1. And then C major, which you can slide up to 8th fret or play an A major shape. These are both the same chord at the 3rd fret. 3, 5, 5, 5, 3, 8, 10, 10, 9, 8, 8. To keep it easier, just keep these all to root 6 like that. And that's basically the Wonderwall progression as well. We're gonna throw it back to you today. down, 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 up, down, up, down, down, up, down. Now let's have a quick look at the Hunter. This goes like this. This is a fantastic riff to kind of work all 4 fingers at the 1st fret. This is difficult. Just the stretch alone is going to be too much for most people. If you struggle, try and move the whole thing higher up the fretboard and it's going to be easier for you. But fret numbers wise, this is setting up finger 1 at fret 1, 2, 3, 4, so aligning a finger a fret. And keep your elbow in to your side and keep that 1st finger on this angle to be able to do that stretch. This is 1, 3, 4, 3, 2, 4, 3. Repeat. That's all with palm muting and with a bit more overdrive. Tab for that is linked in the description below as well. There's 2 changes to that before it gets into the verse section. It's 4-3 on string 4 for the last 2 notes. And then the whole riff moves exactly the same, but starting from the octave higher. It's all the same notes. So 3, 5, 6, 5, 4, 6, 5. The only other part is the You Keep It, We Don't Want It, where it plays the first half of that riff, and then 3 mutes, which are shown by an X on the tab. When you see an X on tab, it means this, and the X shows you which strings to play that muted strum with, which ones to touch with your fingers and strum, because it shows you exactly which strings it's on. So, you keep it, we don't want it. And there's only one difference there. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2. Like that, and then you can have some fun playing this riff. There's a couple of soft play songs. If you enjoyed that, check out these other videos that I've done that are kind of my heavier stuff that we offer here at Andy Guitar. More links in the description for more help. Let me know what other songs you want, and I'll see you next time.